Hello everyone, I'm Jyoti Manure dealing with social science subject for 7th standard. First, I would like to welcome all the students who successfully completed 6th standard and promoted to 7th standard. In this video, I would like to introduce my subject with few words. As we know that we have a two textbooks for 2 semesters as part 1 and part 2 with 3 parts. They are history, civics, geography. Altogether, we have a 26 lessons divided in 2 textbooks. Now, let me introduce lesson of part 1 textbook. In the history part, lesson number 1, Vijayanagar Empire. In this lesson, the dynasties which ruled Vijayanagar Empire are explained. The second lesson, Bahmani Adil Shah. The achievement of Sultan Firoz Shah and famous Prime Minister Muhammad Gawar are discussed in this lesson. The next lesson, the third one lesson, Bhakti cult and Sufi heritage. In this lesson, the objectives, meaning and features of Bhakti cult are discussed. The lesson number 4, Nayakas, Palegaras and Nadaprabhus. In this lesson, we will learn about Nayakas of Keladi, Chitradurga, Surpura and Nadaprabhus of Alanka and their achievement. The lesson number 5, Wadiyars of Mysuru. The Wadiyars of Mysuru, Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan are introduced. The important Wadiyars rulers like Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV and others are introduced. The important Diwans are also introduced. Lesson number 6, the Sultans of Delhi. In this lesson, the policies of sultans, their administration, socio-economic condition of the period and the contribution made by them to architecture and literature. The next one lesson, the Mughal Empire. In this lesson, Babur invaded India in 1526 and after overthrowing the Delhi Sultan established the Mughal rule. Eighth one lesson, Marathas. In this lesson, the childhood of Shivaji, his ideals, the way he resisted Mughal and Bijapur army, establishment of Maratha kingdom and his administrative measures are explained. In civics part, the lesson number 9, our constitution. In this chapter, the meaning, importance, framing and salient features of the constitution are explained. The lesson number 10, fundamental rights and duties. In this lesson, the fundamental rights and duties provided to every citizen are introduced in this chapter. The lesson number 11, directive principle of state policy. In this lesson, the directive principle of the state included in the constitution help to achieve the aims set out in the preamble of the constitution. The next, geography part, lesson number 12, North America. In this lesson, you will study about location, extent and physical setting, physical division, climate, natural vegetation, agriculture, important minerals, industries, population growth, distribution and density of the continent of North America. The next lesson, the 13th lesson, South America. In this lesson, study the location, extent and physical settings, rivers and lakes, climate, natural vegetation, wild animals, agriculture and livestock rearing, compositions, distribution and density of population of South America. Dear students, in this whole year, we will learn 26 lessons. These all lessons are very interesting. Meet you soon. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.